Schnitzel is really good.
40 bucks?
The schnitzel travels well. What I was going to tell you is that mine, when I buy it, it's freaking, I would buy 1 pound of the schnitzel beef chicken broth.
Peptide Power Neck Care. Neck Care Serum Roller. Oh, I guess that's the instructions. Agree neckline to appear softer. I don't know how much of it. 93%. 19-10-in-1 multitasker conditioner. $9.99. 10 times against damage conditioner made with keratin, vitamin E, coconut oil. $9.99 to March 30th. Pantene 10-in-1 multitasker. This is a shampoo, 38.2 flow zone. For April 30th, $9.99 as well. Payment 3. This shampoo. 10 benefits whenever you wash. There's the benefits. Venus Ultra Smooth Razor. $25.99. Ultra Smooth 5 blades. Ultra Smooth Sensitive you get. Ultra you get 1 wand and a shower holder. So it's a shower holder plus 11 blades. Olay Visibly Radiant Skin. No parabens, no phytates. These are essentials oils. You have 3 flavors or 3 scents: jasmine blossom and sandalwood, strawberry and sweet cream, and peach sorbet and mandarin. $15.99. Venus Sensitive Plus 15-count disposable. So April 13th, $20.99. Venus Sensitive Plus, let's see. In 3 blades. Sensitive, 15 different disposable. And it's $20.99. Girl Scout Bites, Thin Mint Bites, 20 ounce, $11.99. Everyday chocolates, that's 1914. There's the ingredients. And there is the nutrition facts. This IQ Bar Chocolate Variety Pack. 18 bars. Each bar is 1.6 ounce for $19.69. 18 bar variety pack, 12 grams of plant protein, 1 gram of sugar, 2 to 3 net carbs. You have 6 peanut butter, 6 chocolate sea salt, 6 almond butter chip. IQ bars, $19.69. The Fit Crunch Wheat Protein bar, 18 of them, 1.6 ounce, 18 bars. For April 30th, it's on sale, $13.99. The Fit Crunch High Protein Baked Bar. That's Robert Irvin's. Fit Crunch High Protein Baked Bar, chocolate peanut butter. 16 grams of protein, 3 grams of sugar, 190 calories, and it's also gluten free.
Try some tapioca pudding. There we go. $9.79.
Salt latte. Got that right? 32 ounce, $8.99. Crafted gourmet salsa taste made.
When you're outdoors, I don't want that kind of
32 ounce. Very heavy. This is nutrition facts. Non-GMO vegan. Factory smoked bristling sardines and olive oil. 3 jars, 9.5 ounce, $11.89. Innovative sardines, smoked sardines, and olive oil. This is Vita coconut milk drink, 12 pound, 9.8 ounces each, $15.99. 12 pounds. Has a nut, they coconut jelly in it. Bottles, gluten-free, non-dairy, plant-based coconut milk drink. Minsley organic still-cut oatmeal bowl, 6, 7.4 ounce each, $7.99. Still-cut oatmeal or the red quinoa, organic, cooked, heat, and eat. Let's see. Microwavable, ready in 60 seconds, vegan whole grain, shelf stable, cholesterol free. Crust veggie pizzas on sale again, April 30th. Pieces on sale. Kirkland signature panko butterfly shrimp, 40 ounce, also on sale until April. March 30th, $15.49. Same panko shrimp. Breaded panko shrimp, 40 ounce, $15.49. Alaskan Leader seafood marinated sable fish, 30 ounce, $24.39.
Black cod.
$16.49. Spiral butter croissant, applewood smoked bacon, egg and cheese, and animal. $16.49. I think this is lower. I haven't seen it before.
$13.99, 11 doors down.
Four flavors in a packet. And you have a cheddar, Monterey Jack, Swiss, and Colby Jack.
Biblical mini wontons, chicken and cilantro on sale till March 30th. $7.79. Mini wontons, chicken and cilantro dumplings. Nice size. $2.50 off. $7.79. Miss Chuchu, $13.99. This looks like these are sponge cakes, 16 single packs.
$7.49 members. It's $7.49, $2 short at the regular price.
Finish Powerball Quantum, 100 count, $14.99. Man's Clean, 2 packs, 100 Powerball. Fine Salt 2 times concentrated cleaner, 2 60-ounce bottles, $10.99. Free basil pesto parm, dip or spread, you decide. That kind See, it's $5.99 a pound. So there's different prices. Looks like you get 2 sauces. Wing tray with ranch.
Raw cheeses, right?
Yeah, you'll see it's at the top.
Kirkland Signature Chicken Sausage, 3 pounds, $12.99. Parmesan cracked black pepper. Fully cooked chicken with no antibiotics. You get 18 links in it. Medium cheese Danish. 4-pack. $11.99. Oh, so you can. Almond Danish. You have the cheese-filled ones, and then you also have cherry-filled, apple-filled. I think that's it. So choose any 2. Any 2 flavors. Mix and match. $11.99. Good day, soju variety. It's on sale to April 13th. $16.49. You're getting 8, 2 of each flavor, 2 watermelon, 2 mango, 2 lychee, and 2 peach. Mix pack, 8 pack, $16.49. $24.99. 15-inch diameter, powder coated seal, weather resistant. Holds 200 pounds. Fat caddy. Never garden.